Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you about an issue that I encountered last Friday on 22nd of August. And in the end of the video, I will really appreciate if you can comment below and tell me if the situation that I encountered and the way I got responses on that was fair or not fair. So let's get started. On 22nd of August, Friday, last week, so I'm recording this video again on Friday after 8 days. So on Friday, my car was parked on a legal parking space, and I was in my college. I was busy there in teaching, and when I came back, I saw a note left on my windscreen, and I saw that my car was hit from the backside and the rear bumper was damaged while it was parked, and it was parked on the legal parking. I took that note and I read it, and it was dropped by neighbors, so I'm thankful to neighbors. They mentioned that my car was hit by XYZ company's car at and they mentioned the time as well, and they gave me their number also. So that was the information at all. Usually in such kind of situation, the driver who hit the car, because see, we all are humans, we do mistakes. So in any such situation, ideally, if there is no one in the car and you hit a car while it is parked and there is no one in it, ideally you need to leave your contact details, and then the other person can contact you. But the driver of that car did not leave any of their contact details. Now here the chase started. I called my insurance company and I told them about the issue, and they sent me an email saying that since there is no information about the insurance company and the car registration, because the neighbors were not able to provide the car registration number, because all they saw from their window was a car hitting my car, and then the car reversed and left immediately. So they said that I have to pay the excess. I think it was $750, and then I reported that to police as well, and whatever information I had, and police said that based on the provided information at the moment, they cannot take any further action, and it's better that I should coordinate with my insurance company, which I already did. Later on, I thought that I should give a try to reach out to the company as well, like the company whose car. So it was basically a car having a company label on it. So I searched about that company and I called them on Friday, the same day. So all this is happening on 22nd of August. And I called them and I explained them about the issue, and they said that we will look into it and we'll get back. Now, there was another thing, that my wife was not well, and I actually left on Friday in the middle of the day from my college because she was having a specific kind of headache, which is called as cluster headache, which is really painful. So we went to the emergency. So all these things were happening in parallel, and was quite stressful situation. Then after that, Saturday and Sunday was quiet, and on Monday I took off from my work because I had to take care of my wife, and I have to take her to GP, and then I have to look into my car issue as well. I had to take my car to some denting, painting, and these paint the panel beaters. So after we were done with the GP visits and all that, I took my car and I used Google. And what I did, whatever the top 5 search results were with good rating and ranking, I started with the first one. I went to them, I showed them my car. What I will do, I'll show you the damage on the screen as well, so you can see the damage is okay, fine. It's not that much, but yeah, it is, and it is on the rear bumper of my car. So I went to the first one and they checked my car and they gave me an estimate of $350. Neither they asked me that my car is insured, nor I told them that my car is insured. So it was like I didn't tell them that my car is insured actually. When I went to the second one, the first question they asked me, and they were like those car panel beaters that are usually registered with insurance companies. And I said, yeah, I have an insurance. And then they, started taking pictures from up and down and left and right and front and back. And they gave me a quotation of $1,250, right? The same work, the same thing. The first one, there were many good reviews on Google, and I feel they might do the good work on 350, but the second one was 1250. All right, I went to the third one, and again they took out phone and pictures from left, right, up, down, going under the car, and right, and they said that we will email you the quote next day. Same with another one. I went to them and they asked, like, is it insured? I said yes. So total I went to 5, and this is the fourth one. So to the first one, I didn't tell them that my car is insured. The second one, third one, and fourth one, I told them that my car is insured, and they said that we will send you the quotation. So the fourth one said that I'll send you the quotation next day as well. Now here comes the fifth one. I went to him. He said that, is your car insured? I said no. And I know I lied, but I just wanted to know, when I'm saying yes, my car is insured, the price is going so high, although insurance company is paying that, but I don't feel this is fair to charge so much crazy money for something which could be done for $350 or $400. All right, so that guy, he gave me the quotation of $400. Now here we come with the other two, the number 3 and the number 4 panel beater. They said that we will send you an email. I received a fancy email. The first email had a quotation of, drum roll, 1,718 point something dollars. So let's say $1,718, right? And almost, I count, like the things that they included, like they were not making sense to me because I'm not car person. I don't know much about cars, but like just to fix the bumper issue that I have showed you already, I can display that again. They listed almost 27 things to be done. 27 things, the price for different 27 things on the quote. And here we go with the last one, the fourth one. Basically, I received their email today, basically in the morning, and it broke all the previous records. It's like 1,800 and in, I think, 20 or 30, something like that, but it's more than 1,800. So this is the most expensive quote that I have got so far. Now, I'm not sure how those two panel beaters who are offering me 350 and 400, and they said that it will look like nothing happened here before, how they are going to manage that, because I didn't tell them that I have an insurance, versus those to whom I told that I have an insurance, and they started their quotation from 1,250, 1,718 and 1,800 plus, right? I feel this is not fair. This is my personal opinion. You may agree or you may not agree. That is why I said you need to comment down if it is fair or not to overcharge the amount when you get to know that a car is insured. Now the thing is, I'll be honest, my insurance company, they emailed me today again, and they said, like, your excess is now 400. Like initially they said the excess will be 750, which means whatever charges are through their affiliated panel beaters, the one that they support, the first 750 I have to pay, and rest of the amount they will pay. All right, now we are done with the quotation part and all that. The interesting thing, I emailed the company on Monday and I explained them the whole situation, that my car was parked here exactly, and on this time neighbor saw, they dropped a note, your car hit my car from behind, and I spoke to you guys on Friday as well, and now it's Monday, can you please tell me what's the update? And they said that we did an internal inquiry and we can confirm that one of our cars was involved in an accident on the location that you specified, and we take responsibility, and we are happy to talk to your insurer, and we will cover the cost. Our insurance will talk to them and we will look into this matter. So I told my insurance company about it. They are still saying we will look into it, and we will look to waive the access, because I have spoke to few of my friends and they said that if the other party is accepting their mistake, and they have given that in writing, so your insurance company should not charge you excess. So I have communicated same to my insurance company. Now let's get back to the point. Since initially it was 750, so I thought that I'll not go with my insurance company, like why I should pay 750 and why should not I get it fixed by 350 or 400. I'll just tell them that these are the guys who are fixing it for 350 or 400, and I want my work to be done through them, even if they are not affiliated. You don't want to cover it, well and good, I'll do that through my own pocket, because anyhow I have to pay 750 if I go with those who are giving the quotation of 1250 or 1700 or 1800. Well, today my insurance company emailed me and they said that the excess is 400 now instead of 750, and that is what you have to pay as an initial cost, and the rest of the cost we will cover it. So I told them that I'm waiting for you to give me a final verdict from the third party, like the other party. So they agreed, they accepted that over email with me, that it's their fault, but my insurance company wanted an acceptance to them as well, so hopefully they will give them acceptance. So yeah, this is something which was happening for last 1 week, but stressful because I am a very careful driver, thank God, and hopefully I'll continue my record of driving safely. Even when I was when I gave my driving test, there was one critical error for which I was marked, and that was I was driving too slow, which means even on giveaways, I was quite careful and looking here and there. But the thing is, it's better to be safe than sorry, right? So this is all the story. I thought I'll share it with you, and I'll ask you guys to give your opinion in the comment box. And this will, even those people who are in New Zealand or who are new to New Zealand, just like me, they can get an idea how the insurance process works if something like this happens. So this is what I did, and I hope that issue will get resolved soon. All right, I hope you found this video, I'll not say helpful, but informative for you. And if the video was informative, like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your family and friends, and stay tuned for more useful content on teaching and learning. Thank you.